huge. Have you heard of solar quotes in Australia?
Yeah, sure.
He's such a nice guy. He's happy to lie. I'm here at Intersolar Europe in Munich, an absolutely enormous solar and battery conference in the heart of Munich. And today we're going to have a look at the solar panel part of it, which is about 3 out of 12 halls. And to give you some context, the biggest solar conference in Australia is probably the equivalent of 2 of those halls. So let's go and see what's unique in Munich. All right, so we haven't even made it past the first aisle of the first hall of about 12 halls, and we're seeing loads and loads of this balcony solar. So this is a 230 watt lightweight solar panel. The nice thing about Germany is you can take one of these, you can plug it into a power point, and you can have 230 watts if it's sunny, flowing into behind the meter, offsetting your electricity use. So we're seeing these everywhere. This is just one of many. We haven't even got past the first aisle. Now, on a global heating-induced 35-degree Munich day, the only thing hotter than the attendees is this claim: 28.13% efficiency for a residential solar panel. 505 watts. Seriously impressive. This is Lampros from Ulica Solar that used to be in Australia many years ago, but aren't anymore. Why did you leave Australia?
Last few years, we saw the market price drop too much in Australian market, but still people are looking for A grade on the paper.
Yes.
So it's hard to make a margin with that cost. It's impossible. So that's why we kind of quit the market a little bit. Yeah.
Australian is very price competitive. There's 2 parts of the market. There's the people that just want the cheapest, but there is a good section of the market that are happy to pay a little bit more for quality. Ulica Solar. I like a solar. We all like a solar.
Thank you.
And I'm here with Julius, who's CEO of SoliTek from Lithuania, who make building integrated solar panels. A lot of people in Australia, they want their roof to look nice, but the solar panels don't match the geometry.
Yeah, actually you can make very nice looking roof.
What do you need underneath?
Just wooden battens and that's it.
20-second translation for our Australian audience. These are integrated into the roof of your house. So you don't put tiles on your house, you just put these solar panels on directly onto the battens and the insulation and all that stuff, and then it's integrated into the roof. Yeah. Something that's never taken off in Australia, but maybe it will.
Yeah, maybe a good option.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Well, one of the themes of Intersolar 2026 is they're just putting solar on everything, from little fences to dog show jumping obstacles. Now, if you've got a roof that's green, plum, burnt orange and platinum, and you're thinking, where can I go for solar panels that match? Wonder no more. All right, now we've reached the TCL SunPower stand. SunPower used to be the best solar panel manufacturer in the world. Had some financial ups and downs. An installer in America called SunPower went broke. Maxion that made the panels didn't go broke. Maxion merged with TCL. TCL, I think, have the rights to the trademark SunPower. How much SunPower's in the TCL panels? Who knows? So let's see if we can find someone to explain what exactly is going on with SunPower Maxion. Can we find out? We'll try. Yeah. I'm here with Valentina, who's the head of marketing for TCL SunPower. Now, I don't know about you, but I'm a bit confused about the difference between SunPower, TCL and Maxion. So Valentina's going to explain it all to us in about 30 seconds, no pressure.
No pressure at all.
Tell me about the 3 brands. So TCL.
Yes. So hi everyone, I'm Valentina. Just in a nutshell, I'll explain a little bit of the background of the story. You know that one of the companies within the TCL brand
Okay, so let me see if I can summarize that quickly for our Australian viewers. TCL, big Chinese company, bought SunPower. They are keeping the SunPower brand and the TCL brand, and they're injecting SunPower tech into both of them. In Australia, SunPower is going to be sold directly to installers, good installers, because SunPower certainly were one of the best solar panels in the world. Hopefully they still are.
They still are.
Yep, direct, you would say that. Direct to the installers, so that's good, because I really like a SunPower panel. TCL, the more budget range, is going to be sold through the wholesalers, competing with your Jinkos, Trinas, and everyone else. Is that fair?
Fair enough.
And Maxion only exists in America, so let's just forget about the Maxion brand.
Correct.
Thank you, Valentina.
Thank you so much.
Nice to clear that up.
It was clearer now.
Oh my God, I've just seen the perfect solar product for an Aussie pool owner. It's a solar pool shade. Get a load of this. Looks like solar cells on the shades, blingy LED strip lights, animated. What more could the discerning Australian solar pool owner want? And can you tell us more about this amazing structure?
Yeah, so this is a solar umbrella. It's 600 watts. So this is a very nice design for the garden.
So you just plug this into a power point and it feeds in behind your meter. Illegal in Australia at the moment, but not in more civilized countries like France and Germany.
Yes.
That's really cool, thank you.
You're welcome.
There's something for everyone here at Intersolar Munich. They've even got something for the Kiwis. So I'm here at the Tongwei stand, one of the brands of solar panels that we recommend at Solar Quotes, and I'm here at a stand that shows how they react to light. But let's put it to the ultimate test and see how it reacts to the strongest sunlight of all, Australian sunshine. Ready? Come on! Wow! The power of Australian sun. Survived. The other thing that's everywhere is BIPV, Building Integrated Photovoltaic. So you want a window with a solar panel in it? They've got your back. We actually get queries every so often about weird shaped solar panels, if you can make them to order. Looks like these guys will make it any shape you want. This is a work of art. Now what's this? People selling car parts? Wait a minute. This is a 220 watt solar panel embedded in a Hyundai Ioniq 5 boot lid. That's amazing. Now it's only 220 watts, but it's taking up no space whatsoever. Expect to see a lot more of this. You can sit it in the sun and it can sit running the aircon without draining your battery. Nice.
We have different colors.
You have all sorts of different colors of solar panels. I mean, they look absolutely beautiful, but I've got one question. Do you do them in black?
Yeah, sure. We have this one.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Thank you. Black, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so bored of single color solar panel. What? That solar panel. Nice. Solar for your Australian Italian who can't get enough of marble in their home. Yes, it's a solar panel, and yes, it's as ugly as Barnaby Joyce after a big night. For too long, we've had to choose between real grass and fake grass, and the idiots have chosen fake grass. Well, there's a new choice for even bigger idiots. Grass-coloured solar panels on the floor. As this highly trained gentleman behind me is demonstrating, a little bit of German shade is affecting the top com panel much more than on the bottom com panel. Now, Mark from MC Electrical has a lot to say about this test. We'll put the link to his video in the notes and you can make up your own mind. But what's really important to viewers of Solar Quotes is how does it handle Australian shade? Let's find out. Inconclusive. Well, that's a wrap for day one. We've covered only 3 of 12 holes, the 3 holes that have got nothing but solar panel manufacturers in them. And what have we learned? Well, when what you sell is essentially black rectangles, what angle have you got at a show like this? Well, we found out you make it different shapes, different colors. You try and compete on efficiency, but with Longi claiming over 28% efficiency, good luck with that. But I'm guessing you're not too worried about what color your solar panel is. You're not worried about what shape it is. I think what you care about is that it's powerful, it's reliable, It'll fit on your roof, it'll be well supported, well installed, and the manufacturer is going to stick around in Australia. What's the worst thing about this show today? I'm holding it in my hand. What's the best thing about this show today is every solar panel manufacturer we spoke to that's on the Solar Quotes recommended list, when they find out we're from Australia, the first thing they say is, oh, that's a very important market. And that's good news for you, because we're punching above our weight in the solar market, and these good brands are going to support your solar panel in Australia come hell or high water. Well, tune in tomorrow, hopefully. Might be a bit later, where we'll start off seeing what's new in solar inverters and see how far we get. I'm Finn Peacock, this is Solar Quotes, thanks for watching.